So, look at this tree. Is that lightning that struck that tree there? I would not be surprised considering where it's located. It's not, it doesn't look burnt. Man, look at that. It's like ripped out of there. What the hell? Who could have done that? It's like a groove. Like there's a groove down in there. And then, like it's like a almost half an inch deep or something. Or maybe more. Look at that. It's like shredded out of there. Like a straight line. That has to be lightning. Goes straight down into the, into the ground there. I mean, obviously, I don't think an animal could have done that. I mean, look at it. It's not even like maybe the bark just split or something, because it's shredded. It's shredded coming out of there, all shredded. It's like that guy talks about Moby Dick, Captain Ahab, says he has a scar like that. And it actually says he has a white line on his face that is symbolic of a lightning striking a tree. It literally mentions a lightning strike on a tree, making a white line. So I guess this is what it is. And that bark's like peeling away right there. Hanging on. This doesn't look that old. I mean, for this shredded stuff to still be hanging on, I can't. That must have been semi-recently, at least. But that's crazy. It's like a straight line too. That's some bad kindling. But it's not burnt at all. There's no like burn. There's no like sear, searing or whatever that's called. So, guess that's lightning.